Hey everyone, so in this video we are solving this problem, this lead code problem. It is in the SQL 57th one. Okay, so what is the question they given? So they given two tables. So one is sales, another one is product. Sales has this sales ID, product ID, year, quantity, and price, and product has product ID, product name. And what they're expecting is write a solution to report the product name, year, and price. So there are two tables, and from this they want this data: product name, year, and price. You can see the examples also, and also they given one condition for each sale ID. So for each sale ID, this is the thing: you need to get all this data for each sale ID. You want to get what is the product name and year and price related to that. So obviously we have to perform this left join because we need the product name which is present in one table and year and price which is present in another table. So and we need to perform left join because they clearly mentioned here sale ID for each sale ID. So that means for each and every observation present in this sale ID, it has to get that respective rows. So for that, obviously we have to perform left join. So that is the logic. So let's write. So what is this? Select and what are the data we want. So product underscore name, from where we can get this product name. So product name, product dot select product dot product name, comma, then what year, from where sales, control C, sales dot, comma, then sales dot price. Dot. These things we want from which table? From sales, because it is a left join. This is a syntax. If you go through the syntax, you'll understand. From this left join, what you need to join: product, and on what condition you are doing. So sales dot sales ID equal to sales dot product ID equal to. So you can see there. So because this is a common one, sales dot product ID equal to product dot product ID. That is the condition. So that's it, guys. Let's run this. Let's see what happens. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's how we can do the things. Okay, let me submit this. Yeah, that's it. It was done. So we'll see the resolve next problems in the next tutorials. Okay. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.